Spiritual persecution is not only about banning prayer outright, it is about making you feel embarrassed to seek at all. In Sanatana Hindu Dharma declares boldly, Paramashivo, Aham Brahmas. I am the ultimate cosmic superconsciousness itself. This is your true identity. Not a sinner, not a slave, not mere consumer. Kailasa's answer to the spiritual level persecution is the complete revival of the Veda Agamic, universal law-centered lifestyle, dharma-centered lifestyle. The ancient revealed scriptures of Paramashiva that contain the complete science of living enlightenment in all levels. Temple worship, spiritual initiation, technology of consciousness, whatnot. In Kailasa, every human being, regardless of birth or background, is offered the ultimate experience, ultimate knowledge, the ultimate spiritual experience as a living, functional reality. In Kailasa, your spiritual sovereignty is not a privilege granted by any government. It is your birthright, and it is protected absolutely by the First Amendment of Kailasa's Constitution. Kailasa's Constitution's First Amendment protects your spiritual sovereignty. The sixth and the final level of persecution is an environmental persecution.